Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. I heard this quote recently and it really touched my heart because I used to be a loner and I used to love doing things independently all alone and not involve anyone at all. But over a period of time, when I got into my coachings and learnings and all of that, and when I started training people, today I communicate with hundreds of thousands of people at one time. So it's absolutely fine. And I'm completely open and vulnerable right now to share my life and share my story the way it is and the way it is not. I feel it's about having a wonderful understanding in a particular relationship that matters. There are times when you may not be comfortable, or you may feel low, or you may feel a certain way, which is not acceptable. There has to be a better understanding between the two of them or between any relationship, that they are able to empathize fully with the situation and the person. Also, it's very important that most of the times when we are trying to blame somebody else for something, there's something in your head that you're telling yourself, and you really need to observe that conversation very deep. And for this, you need a sense of awareness and expansion. And this can be achieved through meditation. One of the keys is meditation. Having awareness in the present moment will actually show you where you're going wrong. What are you telling yourself inside your head? When the other person's saying something else and you're thinking and acting something by doing something else. So it is very, very important to have the right conversation. And it's also important for, having a great understanding between the two people who are communicating. So I hope this helps you. And many of us, when who are living in the head, because I did that for a long time, I can completely relate to it. We are in a zone where we are either victimizing ourselves or we are self-sabotaging ourselves, and we assume things that are not right, that are not true, nowhere related to the truth. So it's very, very important to identify these things and filter them out before you can even have a conversation. If you have any questions regarding relationships, you can just post it in the comments and I'm more than happy to help you about it. So the key is also that I would request, people to stop complaining and blaming somebody else for anything that happens in our life. We are the only person who can transform any situation that's happening in our life. I strongly believe that I can affect anything in this world, anything at all, by doing it right and being in the present moment, having the awareness to do it. Thank you so much. I would request you to like and subscribe for my channel. You take care. Bye-bye.